Welcome to 4alarmclocks.com. Today we're going to introduce a very special clock. It's the Equity by Crosse electric digital large display selectable color alarm clock. That's right, you can select the colors. On the back of this clock it has 3 color modes. It has blue, green, and red, and you can also make combinations of these colors. So we're just going to show you real quick just the basic 3. Right now you have red, and then there you can see the green, and then there you can see the blue. So you can pick what color you want, and if you want a shade of those colors, it'll let you do 4 shades by pushing one in and then the other. So that you get a good look at this very nice silver casing with pedestal stand, easy to use buttons, features a large 1.25 inch reverse LCD time display. You also get a seconds counter, nice large seconds counter, also displays the month, day, and date. And you can use 12 or 24-hour format for those of you that like military time. It's got a nice large snooze button, 5-minute repeating snooze. It even has battery backup to store your time and alarm settings in case you have a power failure. This has a really nice several stage alarm. We're going to let you hear the full alarm in just a moment. But not to forget, this has Equity by Crosse's industry-leading 2-year warranty.